The rev up is back in the car. If you follow me on TikTok, you'd have seen all this from last year. Oh, the year before actually, in anticipation of doing this. But we're gonna attempt to start it today. Yes, the radiator is not hooked up, but the builder wants to see it start so he can be at peace and I can go ahead and finish putting everything together. All right, if you guys remember, I had this intake modified. It's polished all throughout the inside, opened up. Even the lower plenum was opened up. So let's see what happens.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh. Right.
You shut one off?
Yeah. Injector 2 is working.
So what about one?
1 was working.
All right, day 2 messing with this car. We're out of gas. I had a quarter tank yesterday. We started it total of like 8 times. Now it's empty. EQ's for you, right? And it takes premium. But hey, appreciate y'all watching. Stay with me. I'm just, as I make them, I'm gonna load them up unscripted. I'm not gonna cut. So y'all get what y'all get. Appreciate y'all for watching. In 2024, try and get the cussing out. This man out here acting a fool.